Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Good evening, Central Oregon. Here is a look at the fire weather warning that begins tomorrow at 2 p.m. and is in place for most areas here in Central Oregon until 10 p.m. And you can see it pretty much runs along, minus this little bit right here, the east side of the Cascades over into this area over here, which is a fire weather watch that's also in place until tomorrow at 10 p.m. We are looking at our winds picking up tomorrow, being a little bit breezier in the later part of the afternoon, early part of the evening, and that's when that fire weather warning is in place. As far as the clouds in our skies, we're staying mostly clear today and tomorrow as well. It's not until Wednesday that we could begin to see a few more clouds here in Central Oregon. Here's a look at our current winds. We're on the lighter side here at 8 miles per hour in Bend, 5 in Redmond. Strong winds along the coast, 31 miles per hour in Coos Bay and 23 in Redmond. Tomorrow when our winds pick up, they'll be coming out of the northwest. They'll start at 15 miles per hour sustained and grow to 20. And then as far as the gusts go, they're going to start at 25 miles per hour, and that'll grow to 30 mile per hour gusts as we get into the evening. Here's a look at our current temperatures across the state. A little bit of a warmer day for us here. Almost made it into the triple digits in the Dalles, and we're looking at the highs for tomorrow. A little bit cooler for us. That trend continues until we get into part of the weekend. Here's where we're sitting right now. Still in the 90s in Bend, Redmond, and Warm Springs, and then those mid to upper 80s for the rest of us. Above average today by several degrees. Tonight we stay above average, usually around 46 to 47 overnight, and you can see we're going to be in those low 50s, low 40s for La Pine, higher 40s for Sisters, and then the low 50s in the Madras area as well. Then tomorrow it's the first of about 3 or 4 days that we cool down, actually getting into the high 70s to low 80s until we get into the weekend. Temperatures will range in the high 70s in Sun River to those higher 80s in Redmond, as well as in Warm Springs and in Prineville. And we're watching this high low pressure, trough of low pressure, begin to just gradually move down as we get closer into Tuesday, and we'll see just the tip of that right along the Washington border, and that should continue to move across the Pacific Northwest for the next couple of days. With our future track, like I mentioned, you'll see mostly clear skies for us. This is into tomorrow morning, and then in tomorrow afternoon, still few clouds may begin to move in along the Cascades. You'll see in the early hour mornings of Wednesday. Then there are those clouds, and then they clear out pretty quickly. We stay clear for a while. As far as our allergy forecast goes, on the mild side today, that will stay there, the mild moderate for the next couple of days. By Thursday, we'll be in those mid 80s. We stay there for a couple of days and then begin to warm up on Saturday as we move through the weekend.